Everybody's sleeping. How the hell is everybody doing out there?
I'm straight.
You straight? That's what's up. Well, I'm Eclipse. It stands for Expressing Creative Lyrics in Precise Symphonies Every Day, because that's what I try to do with my music. I just take my everyday, memories and experiences and see if it fits what I'm trying to put out there. I wasn't expecting to come on here, but or now he's like, nah, if you hear it, you gotta do something. So, shit, okay. Well, I got this one track that I'm working on recently. It's called Reconnecting with Connecticut, because I feel like in the music industry, it strengthens numbers, and everybody over here is trying to be a superstar when you're not a superstar. So when you on top, then you can act like that. But when you're still on the bottom with everybody doing it, it's better that you all come together, because ideas flourish off of one of each other. Creativity, same way everybody comes here to express their vocals at you, you fall into it and you think, damn, I gotta go home, I gotta write something dope, because whatever fucking Phoenix just said when he was up here, I'd be fucked up in that. But sorry for cursing and being so blunt. So this is freedom of speech, right? So this one's called Reconnecting with Connecticut. Welcome to the gritty city, also known as the port. Bloody Bridge, or if you prefer, BPT for short. Well, hustlers are hustling and avoiding the courts. Single mother struggling, living off child support. Home of the bluefish, even though they don't do shit. It's the right moment for a movement. And I'm recruiting and everyone in the 203 and the A60. I think it's time to blast off, so away we go. Oh, let's take a drive down I-95, then a ride through the city in the quaint countryside. Tear down the walls at the Westfield malls, then party till 2 in the morning or last call. To New Haven to check out their exotic dancers. If it's not popping, then to Hula Hanks in downtown Stanford. Yeah, let's lock it down. We just put it in handcuffs. If you're from CT, put your fucking hands up. Bridgeport, Hartford, Norwalk, stand up. Stanford, New Haven, Milford, stand up. Dirty Water, Fairfield, Danbury, stand up. Reppin' CT, put your motherfucking hands up. Stratford, Trumbull, Shelton, stand up. Greenwich, New London, New Britain, stand up. Bristol, Westport, the Valley, stand up. 203 or A60, let me see you put your hands up. Greetings and salutations. Let's start a celebration. Reconnecting with Connecticut and quit all the hating. A couple B-boys breaking, graffiti artists painting, the lovely lady shaking to this MC's creation. Call the radio stations and tell them you've been waiting patiently to hear that new Eclipse spun in rotation. A few collaborations, video compilations to show our dedication to this whole hip-hop nation. I don't know what you want, but I think it's time that we get a move on. So let's hop up in the Yukon, then let's head a Yukon party and get a groove on. Or we can go to Club Blue and wild out like you want to. Or until the cops come through. But before we proceed, there's only one thing that I need to see. I need Bridgeport, Hartford, Norwalk, stand up. Stanford, New Haven, Milford, stand up. Dirty Water, Fairfield, Danbury, stand up. You represent CT, let me see you put your hands up. Stratford, Trumbull, Shelton, stand up. Greenwich, New London, New Britain, stand up. Bristol, Westport, the Valley, stand up. 203 or A60, let me see you put your hands up. Check me out on Facebook, search under Eclipse, or Eclipse with a 3 at the end instead of the E.bandcamp.com. Thank you.
Yo,